Pyraminx Cube, there are 3 centerpieces. This is the big triangles, that is this and this. These are the centerpieces of the pyramid cube. Next are the edges. So the edges are the small triangles that are this and this. There are 3 edges also. This is called tip. It can rotate. And this is also called the tip. There are total 4 tips. 1, 2, 3 and 4. It is very easy to solve this Pyraminx cube and it requires only 3 steps. So R means the right layer going upwards and R apostrophe means the right layer going downwards. L means the left layer going downwards and L apostrophe means the left layer going upwards. U means the up layer going right direction and U apostrophe means the up layer going in the left direction. First step, we have to match all the yellow centers. So already here is one yellow center and here is also one yellow center and here is also one yellow center. So we have to bring all the yellow centers in one place. So let me turn this up. Okay, 2 yellow centers are matched. Now another one is here. So we'll turn the down layer like this and turn this up. We have brought all the yellow centers in one place. If one yellow edge comes here, there is no problem, just you have to focus on the yellow centers. Next we have to fix the tips to this color. So this color is yellow, so turn it yellow. Next here also turn it yellow. Here turn. The tips are matched to the centers. Next we have to make the yellow side full. So there is a algorithm for it. So keep the yellow centers at the bottom. So we have red and yellow over here. So we have to fix it over here. So apply this formula. LR apostrophe L apostrophe R. It still didn't fix over here. So we have to apply till it is fixed. LR apostrophe L apostrophe R. Yes, it is fixed. And also here yellow center has come. Now next, here is a yellow edge and this is yellow and green. So we have to fix it over here. So we have to apply the same formula. Still didn't fixed, apply again. Yes, it has fixed. Now we'll get all the down layers fixed like blue, green and red, and also the yellow side will be full. Next step is to fix these edges, these 2 edges of all sides. So for this also we require a formula. You can do any side you want, but not the yellow side. So apply this formula. LR apostrophe L apostrophe R. UR U apostrophe R apostrophe. The edge is not fixed, so apply it again. It's not fixed, apply it again. If it is not working, do the other side, the same formula. apostrophe U L U L apostrophe U L U.